Alright students, Mr. Williams here. I'm going to show you how to do a couple of things involving your hoop glider project that you're working on. There's been a couple questions that come through, so hopefully this screencast video helps to answer a lot of those questions. So we are using Google Sheets to record our data. So in order to open up Google Sheets, you need a new tab. You need to go up here to your apps, and Google Sheets is one of the apps. So that's pretty easy to just get Google Sheets open. That's your spreadsheet where all your data points are going to go into. So you just start a new blank one. And you're all set right there. Up here, you can give it a name. So if you click in that box, you can just call this hoop glider data. Hoop glider. And now you're ready in Google Sheets, right? If you don't know how to put data into Google Sheets, there's some video links that I put together for you. So you can go in the Statistics and Science folder in Unit 0, find the HyperDoc for your hoop glider, and this is my teacher view, but you'll have my document listed up here so that you can open up your Google Slide HyperDoc with all the instructions. But if you go all the way down at the bottom of the rubric, you're going to see all those video links. One of them is how to create a graph in Google Sheets. So you open that up. You also have calculating standard deviation, calculating average, standard error, using error bars in your Google Sheets. You have everything that you need right there in short video clips. So watch those while you're putting your data into your Google Sheets document. And let me know if you have any questions. Miss Medina is going to be facilitating the Google sessions still this week, so ask her questions. We're asking for students to also share what they've done so far, share the pros and cons, share what's working and not working, ask questions, right? We got to help each other along here while we're doing this investigation. All right, hope that helps.